Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chili garlic noodles using an easy method. This dish is incredibly simple, requiring just a few common ingredients and about 15 minutes of your time. You'll be amazed at how much flavor you can create with minimal effort. Let's gather our ingredients and get started on this quick and satisfying meal that's perfect for any day of the week. Now, let's create the heart of our dish, the chili garlic sauce. In a heat-proof bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Next, add your minced garlic and 1 to 2 tablespoons of chili flakes, depending on how much heat you enjoy. Finally, carefully pour in about 1/4 cup of sizzling hot oil to infuse all those wonderful aromas. While your sauce is infusing, it's time to cook your noodles. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil and cook your preferred noodles, whether ramen, udon, or spaghetti, until they are perfectly al dente. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Once cooked, drain them well, but remember to save about 1/4 cup of that starchy noodle water. Immediately add the hot noodles to your waiting sauce. Now for the best part, combining everything. Toss the hot noodles vigorously with the chili garlic sauce until every single strand is beautifully coated. If the sauce seems a little too thick, add a small splash of that reserved noodle water to achieve your desired consistency. Serve immediately, perhaps garnished with some fresh chopped green onions or toasted sesame seeds for an extra layer of flavor and crunch. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.